guys, welcome back. Today we have So What by Jxdn. I already did Angel and Demon, so you can actually check out this song. This one is also a nice one, has a lot of guitar parts, and I'm there to show you all the small licks out there in the song. Nice and easy, anyone can actually play this, all the small licks in between this chords and all. So let's get started. We have no capos, stand tuning, just 3 chords to learn, and we are done. So let's get started. Have a look at the structure. We start with the verse, we start with the intro, then we have the verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Then we have the next verse, next pre-chorus, chorus, then we have the bridge, and then we have the last chorus. Now let's have a look at the first chord shape, which is a E major, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. Then the next chord we have is a A major, which is mute 0 2 2 2 0. And the next one which we have is a F sharp, it's a G sharp minor. I'm sorry, it's a G sharp minor. It's just 4th fret, 6th fret, 6th fret, 4th fret, 4th fret, 4th fret. It's a bar on the 4th fret, and then we have these 2 fingers on the 6th fret. Now you can play it like this, which is just 4 on the G, B, and a high E string, or you can even play. So check out the easiest way you can actually play, and then you can just play the chord shape, though it's not compulsory to play this chord shape. So let's get into it. But before starting, just want to say that if you won't mind, make sure to subscribe my channel, because I'm really very much fast with these songs coming out. Like tomorrow is Friday and all new stuff and songs are coming out, so I have a lot to do and will be doing. So make sure to subscribe if this helps you out. So let's get started. We will start off with the intro and the verse. For the intro and the verse is basically good, which are just the bass notes of the chords we just played right now: E, G sharp minor, A. So the chord progression throughout the whole song remains the same. So just have a look at the chord progression. We start off with the E, then a G sharp minor, then an A, and repeat the A one more time. So A, 1 2, so we got E, 2 3 4, minor 2 3 4, A, 2 3 4, one more, A, 2 3 4. Now for the intro and the verse, this is easier version, and if you just want to play a more harder version, this is for you. But let's learn the easy version, then I'm just going to show you the harder version or the advanced version. So I got my pick and I'm having palm muting, having this part of your hand rested in front of the bridge of the guitar, get a very soft sound. So I'm putting my hand over here, get a very nice and soft sound. So what I will do is I will look at the tab, I will play the E string open 8 times, which is down up down up. So I will do down up down up down up down up, the down up down up 4 times. So I mean down up down up down up down up down up on the E open. Then you play 4th fret on the E string, down up down up down up down up. So again this one is 8 times. So down up 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 down up, and on the 5th, then you have the 5th fret on the E string, which is the A, and we're just gonna play it a total of 16 times. So we have down up 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 down up. So from the beginning it will be very easy, but you need to be a bit fast. You need to catch up with the speed of the song. So we have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This goes on. And now if you just want to learn a bit different with the power chords there, so we have an E major power chord, which is basically a open. So it's likely a E major chord, but we just play the E string, A string, and D string for the power chord. So have a look at the tab on the screen. It's an E5, so it's a 0 2 2. Then we have a G sharp 5, which is a 4 6 6 6. Playing with this 3 fingers, very easy. Get your index to get bar all the string, the E, B, and the G string, and then you just put it over here. It's a 5 7 7, which is an A. All is on the E, A, and the D string, and the rest all are muted. So again we're just gonna follow the same pattern. So instead of going down 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 up, we're just gonna do down 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 with palm muting added 8 times on each chord. But for the A, since it repeated 2 times, so we're just gonna try that for two more times, string pattern. So 1 2 3 4 1 2. So we got 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. sounds nice. That's nice and easy. Now if you want, you can even try this all out in the open chords. Like you can just play the full chords. It will sound something like this: 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It's the A major power chord. Now we'll come to this a bit later to show you a more easier version of this one. But before that, we go to the pre-chorus, and for the pre-chorus, you can just go with one down in each chord. The chord progression will be same. You go a E, then a F sharp, then a G sharp minor. Get confused with this F sharp and a G sharp, and then we have a A 2 times. One more time. So just go 1 2 3 4 1 2. If you're not able to play the G sharp minor, no problem, you can just play it like this, or you can even just play 4th fret on the E string, and that will be completely okay. And you play the A 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2. Now let's have a look at the small riffs and the licks which goes in between the song. In the verse we have this one, which is basically, have a look at the tab. It's 12th fret on the high E string. Have a look at my fingers, what all I'm using. 12th fret, then 11th fret on the E string, then 12th fret on the B string, then 9th fret on the B string. It's very easy, just go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This goes for the verse basically. Then you have the pre-chorus one, which is a bit more this one is a bit more better than that one. So it's actually, I'm using my index finger to just get the bar on 9th fret of the B and the G string, and what I do is I play with my middle finger the 10th fret on the B string, then I play open, oh sorry, I'm very sorry, 10th fret on the B string, then I play 9th fret on the B string with the bar over there, and then I play the G string 9th fret. Now again, I have my palm muting added, so you can just play without the palm muting or even with the palm muting. It's actually the same thing. So you play this total of 3 times, and after that, so we got one more time, and then you play with the pinky. We play 12th fret on the B string, then as it is 10 and 9, all on the B string. So we got. Make sure you do down, down. Just don't go down, 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 down. But we want down, up, down, down, up, down, da, 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 down, up, down, da, 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 da. That's it for the licks. I told you it's very easy. And now you're just gonna move on to the chorus. For the bridge, we have the exact same thing. Now for the chorus, you can just go with the power chord shape, getting a bit louder, which I showed you for the verse. I think guys can actually play this one. It's a lot easy. But if you do want to play a bit more open, just want to be a bit melodical, so you can just try this out. Over here I play the G sharp minor chord like this. I got 4th fret on the E, on the G, on the B, and on the high E string like this, and with my index I get the A and D string muted. Now just have a look at my right hand, what I do. What's the strumming pattern? I go 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So on the 1 we basically have that accent, so on the 1 we are doing a full down, and on the 2 3 we are doing a small down, which focuses on strumming the A and the D string, or maybe the E and the A string, wherever the bass notes are located. So we got 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. G sharp minor 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Give me a second. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, no matter what the chord is. So you got. For the the A you play 2 times because the A is repeated twice. A bit more open. And that's almost everything for this lesson. Then we have the next verse, the next pre-chorus as it is, then we have the chorus, and then we have the bridge. Exactly same, there's not much part to learn the song, just the same thing goes, repeated, and then we have the last chorus. So got a lot of options. You can do one strumming, you can do one down, you can just try out some different combination, whatever you want. So there's a lot of options left for you guys, so enjoy, jam on with the song. So again, I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers in this month. I know it's a bit hard, but you guys can actually do this. And obviously I will be doing something special as soon as I see this shit is over, I mean this corona stuff and all. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe. Again, I'm telling you, like I told you 10 times, maybe 4 times, maybe 5 times. I don't know how many times I told you in this video, but make sure to subscribe. Drop in one of these. Comment down below any other song that you want on guitar, because on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are the days where I actually take all your requests and just show you how to play it. So that's it, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.